Hi friends, in this video you are going to see the unboxing of Philips Hp8100 by 46 hairdryer. I bought this from Amazon. This is how the box looks like. Let's open the seal. Before that, let's see the price on the box. The price mentioned on the box, that is MRP, is 845, but in between 650 to 700 you can get it from Amazon. And you can see the MRP mentioned over here is 845 and wattage is 1000 watts. Let's try to remove the hairdryer from the box. It comes in a simple cardboard box, and inside the hairdryer is wrapped under the cover. As you can see over here, the hairdryer comes with attachment, you can see on the screen, and here is a booklet, that is a user manual on how to use your Philips hairdryer. Let's keep this thing aside, and here is the attachment. Let's try to fix this attachment to the hairdryer. Okay guys, I have fixed the attachment to the hairdryer. This is how the hairdryer looks like, and here is the back, and some certifications are printed on the back, and here you can see the Salon Dry Compact 1000 watts Philips hairdryer, which is written on that. And you have two heat settings and one turn off button. This hairdryer doesn't have a power indicator, that is a light indicator whether the hairdryer is turned on or turned off. You can see that the hairdryer is very compact, and here is a hook. You can use this, keep this hairdryer anywhere you want easily. And the hairdryer comes with 1.5 meter length wire, and here is a plug. On the plug you can see that ISI mark and made in India is printed. The quality of the cable of the hairdryer is okay for the price we pay. Let's try to pour on this hairdryer and let's see the functioning of this. Let's test it. I'm keeping on heat number 1. If you keep it on the second setting, the amount of heat is high. That's it guys, here is a short video on Philips Hp8100 hairdryer. For those who are looking to buy hairdryer at reasonable price, you can buy this hairdryer without second thoughts. It's very good. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.